Hello, everyone, and welcome to our science hour. I hope you guys are excited to learn something fun and interesting today. I am really excited about teaching this lesson. Okay, so first thing I need you to do, get your computers out. Okay, once you get on there, go onto your Google Classroom. I have a Kahoot that we're all going to do so that I can see what you guys' knowledge is on weather and climate. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes to go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we're going to start playing the Kahoot. I have set the timer for 7 minutes for 10 questions. So once everyone has that submitted, we will begin our lesson. Okay, you guys did really great. Um, a lot of you knew more about weather than climate, and that's totally fine. You're going to learn a lot of that information today, so no worries there. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first question I want to ask you guys today is, what is weather? Okay, some really good thoughts. Okay, so guys, weather is our day-to-day variations in our atmosphere that is based on the local conditions. Okay, any questions about that? Okay, great. Okay, now let's go on to climate. What is climate? Good guess. Okay, thank you for using those brains. Okay, now guys, climate is based on your year-to-year variation of the atmosphere condition over a large area. So it isn't going to be just based on where we live, it's going to be based over a larger area. So we could say like the whole United States, okay? Great. Okay, so now what I want you to think about, what are the differences between weather and climate? Okay, so think about what we just said, what weather and climate are. Now I want you to tell me the differences between weather and climate. Okay, make sure you raise your hand whenever it's time to answer. Okay, you guys have a lot of great ideas. Thank you so much for responding. Now, I have a question that I think you guys can answer. Okay, now, how is weather today different from weather yesterday? That's right. That's right. Our weather is changing. Yeah, because the temperature's changed. Yeah. So it was kind of windy yesterday and now it's nice and sunny today, right? Okay, great. So you guys got that concept down. So what I want to do now, we are going to watch this YouTube video. Now, the YouTube video is about 4 minutes, and it's just going to go over a little bit of what we discussed, but I like this video because the young lady in the video, she has some really great animations, and I think that that would help with your learning, okay? So go ahead and make sure that you're looking up at the screen and that there's nothing around you that's going to distract you while we're doing this. So if you need to, go ahead and close those lids on your Chromebook. Okay, great. Thank you guys so much. Okay, so I'm going to give you 4 minutes, okay? I think the video is about 4 minutes and 32 seconds, so we're going to take some time. If you want to, in your science journals, okay, you could, first of all, you guys should already have that out. You know that's a part of our routine. So on that blank page that you have located under this week, I want you to write down anything interesting that you learned, okay? Okay, great. Okay, we're going to watch the video now. Okay, how do you guys like that video? It was really interesting, right? Okay, great. So here's our next thing, okay? Going to ask you a couple more questions now that you guys have watched the video and have heard the definitions from someone else's point of view, okay? Great, great, great. Okay, now make sure that you're raising your hand or that you're using your buzzer, okay? Okay, so is our weather forecast the same every day? No. Okay. And why is it not the same every day, guys? Yes, yes, because our weather changes, right? Things are not always the same because we have what, guys? We have seasons, right? Perfect. I know our seasons are a little off in Kansas, but that's just something that we've learned to live with, right? Okay. Now, in the video that you guys just watched on YouTube, she talked about the meteorologist, right? Yeah. Okay. So what is the job of a meteorologist, guys and girls? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. Okay. Yep. Yeah, they have a really important job, right? Yeah, because whenever we get up in the morning, they usually like let us know if we're going to need a jacket or something, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, guys, what is a barometer? What does it do? Yes, it measures what? Great. Yes. I really like that you guys paid attention. Okay. Now we are going to write in our science journals really quick, okay? I want you to write this question in your science journal. Okay, you guys ready? Okay. I want you to write down what will the weather be for this week? Okay. Now what you're going to do is, okay, you guys see the little note cards that I put on your desk? Okay. So today is Monday. So what I want you to do is whenever you go home tonight and before you get on Fortnite and everything else, okay? I want you to watch the weather. I want you to watch the news, and whenever they get to the weather, I want you to record what the weather's going to be like for Monday through Friday, okay? Include today because that will be on there still, okay? Whenever they have the forecast up. Okay, so we're going to do that because we are going to use that information for our experiment, okay? Okay, great. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we are going to get our materials together, okay? Everyone go ahead and get with your partner. Okay, go ahead and gather your materials. I have put everything at the end of your desk. Okay, now we are going to construct something. Okay, so what can you guys tell me that we're doing today? We're building a what? Yes. It looks like a windmill, doesn't it? Yeah. And we're going to use that to do what, guys? Yes. To see our changes in our weather. Okay, great, guys. Okay. Okay, now once you're finished working with your partner and you get your windmill created, I need you guys to complete your exit ticket. Okay, your exit ticket can be done in person on the papers, or you can fill it out in your Google Classroom. Okay, thank you guys.